Welcome to the series of C programming language. Today we are going to do a program to check whether the entered number is perfect number or not. So without wasting time, let's get started. Before moving to the program, we should know what is a perfect number. In number theory, a perfect number is a positive integer that is equal to the sum of its proper positive divisors, that is, the sum of its positive divisors excluding the number itself, also known as its aliquot sum. The first perfect number is 6, because 1, 2, and 3 are its proper positive divisors, and 1 plus 2 plus 3 is equal to 6. Equivalently, the number 6 is equal to half the sum of all its positive divisors. 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 6, / 2 is equal to 6. The next perfect number is 28 is equal to 1 plus 2 plus 4 plus 7 plus. This is followed by the perfect numbers 496 and 8128. Let's move to the program. So here we need to create a new file with .c extension. I'm giving the file name as perfect number or not.c. After creating the file name, we need to include the header file, so I'm adding studio.h header file. Then we need to write the main function. Note we should write everything inside this main function. Inside the main function, the very first thing we're going to do is initializing the variable number. Then we need to print a prompting message for the user. Here I'm writing prompting message as enter the number. Using printf function we can pass messages, it will display on the screen. And after the message I'm writing /n for new line. Now we need to read the number from user using scanf function. Now I'm going to initialize one more variable called sum. I'm initializing the sum as 0. Now we need to run a set of statement for 1 to number -1. So I'm doing this with the help of a for loop. And inside the for loop I'm taking another variable, I. I will run 1 to number -1. Inside that loop I'm checking whether the number is divisible by the I value or not. If it is divisible by I, then I'm updating the value of sum as sum plus I. This expression will only execute if the condition is true. Now I'm coming out of the loop. Here I'm checking the sum value is equal to number or not. If the sum value equals to number, then it is true. We can say the number is perfect number. Inside the curly braces I am writing the printf function and writing the number is perfect number terminated by /n. If the sum value is not equals to the input number, then we can say the number is not perfect. Now if the sum is not matching with number, then I'm going to throw a message the number is not perfect. That %d will replace with the readed number from input. Now I'm terminating the program by returning 0. Hence we are using int main function. We are telling the compiler that the return type of the function is integer. Now let's try running the code. Now see, it is asking me to enter the number. I'm going to give the input as 6. It is showing that the entered number 6 is perfect. Now let's try another one. Input is 10. Now it's saying that the entered number is not perfect. Let's try one more. Input is 15. It is saying that the entered number is not perfect.